नमस्ते बच्चों। सुना है ए, एन और द ने मिलकर बच्चों को कंफ्यूज करने की मीटिंग रखी थी, लेकिन उन्हें क्या पता था कि आज उनकी मुलाकात राजपाल पीजीटी इंग्लिश से होने वाली है। आज इन तीनों की ऐसी पोल खोलेंगे कि ये खुद बोलेंगे, सर अब हमें बच्चे भी आराम से पहचान लेंगे। तो हंसते हंसते सीखिए। एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स। He spent a whole month in Hawaii. He threw the ball in the well. He told the funniest joke. He was born on the 10th of May. Holy books, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. I appreciate the honest, the good and the pure. I have a cat. The cat is black. I like French language. I like the bigger roller coaster. I like the French people. I play the piano. I saw an old man. The old man came to me. I saw the bear in Yellowstone National Park. I saw the thieves stealing jewels. I shall come back on the 13th of May. I spent the whole day sitting in his office. I think Shauna is the smarter of the two. I took last Friday off to go to the doctor. I want the red D who signed the letter. I went to a photographer. I went to meet the teacher. I would love to visit the North Pole. I'll pay the next time we have dinner. In the afternoon. In the east, in the north, in the south. In the end. In the evening. In the face of. In the morning. In the nick of time. In the spring, in the summer. Inventions, the steam engine, the plane, the light bulb. Islands, the Andamans, the West Indies. It brought out the beast in him. Jake loves to go camping in the fall. John has a cold. The cold was pretty bad. Kalidas is the first-rate poet in India, like Shakespeare. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of Bangkok, is the Venice of the East. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kashmir is as beautiful as Switzerland. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Last Sunday, I went to the hospital to meet my friend. Magazines, the Reader's Digest, the Competition Success Review. Martin Luther King was described as the Gandhi of America. Michael is the tallest boy in the class. Milk is sold by the liter. Monday is the busiest day of a week. बच्चों, आज तो सिर्फ आर्टिकल्स से मुलाकात हुई है। अगले वीडियो में इनकी पूरी फैमिली से मिलवाएंगे। ए बोलेगा मुझे मत भूलना। एन बोलेगा मेरी भी इज्जत रखना। और द बोलेगा भाई हटो, मैं तो सबसे फेमस हूं। तो जल्दी से अगले वीडियो पर आइए, नहीं तो आर्टिकल्स आपकी किताब से निकलकर खुद आपको पढ़ाने लगेंगे। मैं हूं राजपाल पीजीटी इंग्लिश, और यहां ग्रामर सीखना मतलब पढ़ाई के साथ थोड़ी मस्ती भी।